Friends are the family we choose. Hello mga Mars! Welcome back again sa aking garden. And for today's video, we are going to feature an Echeveria imbricata of succulents, also known as Blow Rose Echeveria. Echeverias are popular succulents known for their rosette-shaped and fleshy leaves. Echeveria imbricata has bluish green leaves with pink edges, while Echeveria lilacina has silvery blue to pale lilac leaves. These plants thrive in a well-draining soil, in bright and indirect light. Echeverias are drought-tolerant and prefer the soil to dry out completely between waterings.